Assalamualaikum students, I'm here with a new video for differentiation. This is lesson number 8. Now we are doing the previous videos. I have discussed differentiation. I have discussed the rules and method how to do differentiation. Here we are doing some questions from exercise 18.12. This is second edition of core and extended mathematics by Karen and Nick. Okay, now see here. Before starting the question from exercise, I want to do few things. I'm doing here how to differentiate sum and difference when there are some functions where there is addition of different, when there are different terms added, and when there are different terms when they are subtracted from each other, how to do differentiation in those questions. Like for example, I have expression here ax power m plus bx power n. If this is expression, this is the general case. Now specific case is C. This is general case. General means n and a and b and m, they can have different values. Specific case is this one, see here. Now this is y is equal to 5x power 4 and 3x power 9. Let's say this, I give an example, or let's make it 3x power 3 better, because that's not correct. It's not incorrect, but it's not good. Power is 3 here. Now see here what to do. I will say dy dx is here. If I have y is equal to 5x power 4, then dy dx is, we know the rule is 20x power 3. If I have y is equal to 3x power 3, the rule says dy dx is 9. This is 3. 9 x power 2. So here the two terms are added. This is called addition of two terms. Now so we get 20x power 3 and 9x power 2. So the general, this is specific case. Now the rule is this one, ma or am x power m minus 1 and nb or bn x power n minus 1. That's the rule. Now question number 1. Question 1, I'm doing some parts. The first part I'm doing is a is y is equal to x power 4 plus x power 5. I don't see that exactly, but it's it should be x power 3. It shouldn't be x power 5, because you know we write the expression in ascending order or in descending order. Okay, so all the questions here are okay, I think it's power 5. They wrote some questions in ascending order and some in descending order. Okay, no problem. So I will do the question. So dy dx is 4x power 3 and 5x power 4. That's part A. Now I'm doing part C. Part C is y is equal to 7x power 6 and plus 9x power 2. So see, if it's power 2, now dy dx is 42x power 5, 18x power 1, or 42x power 5 and 18x. That's done. Now see, I'm doing part D as well. Part D is y is equal to, so y is equal 1 over 3 x power 3 and minus 4x power 7. So differential is dy dx, derivative or differentiation 1 over 3, 3 comes here and x power 3 minus 1 minus 4 into 7 x power 6. This 3 is gone with that 3. So dy dx finally is x power 2 and this is 4. 4 sevens are 28 and x power 6. That's the result. What about part D, part J? If I'm doing part J, 4 parts are enough from this question. Part J is y is equal to 8 over 11 minus 8 over 11 and x power 4 plus 2 over 7 x power 3 and minus 3 over 4 x power 2. Now students, it's dy dx minus 8 over 11 4 into x power 3 plus 2 over 7 3 into x power 3 minus 1, or you say 2, direct writing 2 here. You know the rule, so you can do it directly here. 2 and minus 3 over 4, 2 into x power 1. Now this becomes 4 8s are 32, but minus is here. 32 over 11 x power 3 and 6 over 7 x power 2, and 2 cancels with 2 here, so minus 3 over 2 x power 1 or x power x, that's simple x. So dy dx. So these 4 are we did these 4 parts from question number 1. Okay, A, C, D and J. Now I hope these solutions will help you understand the topic. Now let's go to question number question 2. Question 2 is, I'm using blue color for question 2. Question 2 says, find the gradient of each curve at the point with the given x coordinate. Okay, yeah, gradient is dy dx. This is gradient. Okay, let's find dy dx. Now let's do part B. I'm doing part B. Y is equal to minus 2 x power 4 and plus 3 x power 2. X value is minus 2. So dy dx is minus 8 x power 3 plus 6 x. Yes, when x is minus 2, substitute the value of x here minus 2. So minus 8 minus 2 power 3 plus 6 minus 2. So result is, see, this thing is what? What is this thing coming? What is this thing? This thing is what? Come on, tell me this thing. What is the value for this thing, students? Look, minus 2 power 3 is minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2. So which is minus 8. So it's become minus 8 into minus 8. What should be very neat and clean so that students don't get confused. Okay, minus 8 here, and this is 6 into minus 2 is minus 12. So plus 64 minus 12 is 52. That's the answer, because minus into minus is plus. So that's the answer for part B. Now what if we do part I'm doing part C now here. Question 2, part C. Look at part C, students. Part C is y is equal to 3x4 plus 6x cube minus 3x square. So at x is equal to minus 1. So find dy dx, which is 12x power 3 and 18x power 2 minus 6x. Now let's substitute minus 1. So dy dx is 12 minus 1 power 3 plus 18 minus 1 power 2 minus 6 minus 1. and come and get the result. This is giving us, look, whenever there is something and power is 3 power is odd, 3 is what? 3 is odd. So then the result is coming negative. So negative 1 is coming here because 1 into 1 into 1 is 1 and minus power 3 is minus then. So it's minus 12 into minus 1 the result and 18. Now see, whenever there is something and power is even number, see even. This you see 2 is what? 2 is even. So the result is coming plus that number. So plus 1. Now it's 1 minus, now see, minus into minus is again plus. So this is plus 6. So result is minus 12 and plus 18 and plus 6. So 18 plus 6 is what? Are, let's say, these two. So we get this is 6 and then that's 6. So result is 12. That's the answer. Okay. Now let's do part C, part 3, question 3. Question 3 says, find the coordinates of the point at which the curve with equation, curve has equation 2x3 and plus 3x square, has gradient is 12. Now they say find the coordinates of the point at which the curve with equation this has gradient 12. Now gradient is dy dx, which is 6x square plus 6x. Now gradient is 12, so equate this, 12, so 6x square plus 6x. Now 6x square plus 6x minus 12 equal to 0. Now you can take 6 common, x square plus x and minus 2 equal to 0. Okay, it becomes x square plus x minus 2 equal to 0. I'm dividing by 6 both sides. See, I'm dividing by 6 both sides. Dividing both sides by 6. There are two methods here. Either do this, see him, I'm doing this one separately here. X square plus x minus 2 equal to 0. Divide by 6 both the sides. So we got x square plus x minus 2 equal to 0. Second method, this is method 1. Method 2. You see this is 6, just see here. This is 6. Okay, and this is, again I'm writing, this is 6. Now, and here is this part, see. These two are different parts. Just like I will give example of A, see here. Just like A into B. So when A into B is 0, so either A is 0 or B is 0. So method 1 is just divide both sides by 0, so you get this, by 6 you get this thing. Method 2, 6 into x square plus x minus 2 equal to 0. So say either 6 equal to 0 or x square plus x minus 2 equal to 0. Now this is not possible. So take this one. So simply you can do directly, or if you want to understand this thing, how it comes equal to 0, what happens to 6, then this is the explanation for that. Now x square plus x minus 2 equal to 0. So this is x square plus 2x minus x minus 2 equal to, you can use calculator as well, but I'm not using calculator, I'm doing it manually. So x plus 2 minus 1, x plus 2 equal to 0, x plus 2 equal to 0. Sorry, I'm doing proper steps, not directly. Now this becomes x plus 2 common, so x minus 1 equal to 0. Now there are two factors, x plus 2 equal to 0 and x minus 1 equal to 0. So it means x minus 2 and x is equal to 1. So if x is equal to 1, what's y value? Y is 2 into 1 power 3 and 3 into 1 power 2. The result is 2 plus 3. So y is 5. So point is 1 and 5. If x is equal to minus 2, so y is equal to 2 minus 2 power 3 okay, that's power 3 and plus 3 into minus 2 power 2. So result is 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, but this is minus 8 and 3 and this is 4. So minus 16 and 12. So the answer is minus 4. So point Q is here. New point is, next point is minus 2 and minus 4. If you don't understand this, please again go through the question from start. See again, I have the this is my equation. Look at this. This is the equation. They have given this to me in the book. See, this is the question. They say to me that the function is y is equal to 2x cubed plus 3x square. Gradient is given to us here. That's a gradient thing. That's a gradient. So they say find the coordinates of the point where the curve has this gradient, which is 12. So what I do, I get the gradient function, okay, which is 6. I differentiate this thing, 6x square plus 6. Now I equate this to 12, then I factorize it. I solve it for x. I got, you can use calculator as well. Use calculator, better to use calculator. So x is here, the values are x is equal to minus 2 and x is equal to 1. Now for the coordinates of the point means it means x value and y value. So we got x is equal to 1. Substitute this in this equation, which is the basic equation. Y is equal to, see here, y is equal to 2x 3 and 3x square. So I put the value of 1 there, I get 5. So y is 5 and x is 1. So point is what? 1 and 5. Now if x is minus 2, just use the value in the value of x is equal to minus 2, put it in the function, the same function where I substitute the value of x is equal to 1, then you get this minus 4. So the answer is minus 2 and minus 4. That's the result. So question number 4, I'm not doing all the questions because this is not good to do all the questions. You should do some practice at home. So question number 4 is, this question is your homework question. If still there is some confusion here in this question, please write in the what is that thing called, comments. I will then come to this question and I will try to solve this question. Okay, thank you so much for being here, and this is the end of exercise. This is basically end of exercise. Which exercise this was? This was exercise 18.12. yes, exercise end of exercise 18.12. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.